Welcome to Pixelvestors. If you're ready to learn, remember to like and subscribe. Welcome back, team. Last time, we learned that high supply can force your price down. But what if there was another way? What if, instead of lowering your price, you could increase your demand? This is the power of a strong BR&.
A brand. But they're just carrots. What's the difference?
An excellent question. There is only one way to find out. It is time for a brand battle. The rules are simple. You will both sell carrots at the same price. Eric, you will use a plain, basic stall. Ruby.
Easy. A good product sells itself. All I need is a sign. And the carrots.
Meanwhile, Ruby took a different approach. She started not with the stall, but with an idea.
A great brand starts with a great name and a great logo. Now this is a brand. Let the battle begin. The results speak for themselves. Even with the exact same product and price, the better brand gets the business. Your brand is more than just a name. It's the feeling, the experience, and the story you tell your customers. Ruby's brand was fun and exciting.
So just having a good product isn't enough. You have to make it special.
Precisely. The best businesses combine a great product with a great brand.
And that is the power of a great brand. It helps you stand out, attract customers, and tell a story. A great product, a great brand, and a great team. Your business is growing. But as your business gets bigger, you face new problems. How do you keep track of everything you own?
That is a lesson on inventory management. For next time on Pixelvestors.
Welcome back, Pixelvestors. Your business is growing fast. But with growth come new challenges.
Hello.
I'd like to buy some of your famous rocket carrots, please.
Of course. Right away.
I lost the sale. I couldn't find the carrots in all that mess.
This is a common problem for growing businesses. You need a system. You need inventory management.
It means knowing what you have, how much you have, and exactly where to find it.
System. Of course. An inefficient storage system is just as bad as an inefficient farm. I can design a perfect one. Now that is an efficient system!
Hello. I'd like to buy some carrots, please.
Of course. One moment. A great business isn't just about what you sell, it's about how you run it. Organization is a key to success.
I get it now. A good business needs good systems to run smoothly.
Your inventory is organized. But what happens when your customers are far away? How do you get your products to them? That is a lesson on logistics and delivery for next time on Pixelvestors.